Well, good morning, guys. So this morning we're gonna go get doors. Got a email from Menards up in Wichita, which is not in Oklahoma, and our custom garage doors came in. So we're going to go get them right now. We're gonna hook up one to this trailer. See if I can get a first shot. Probably can't. And close enough. Oh man, I'm tired of driving. It has been a week of driving. Look at that. I didn't do too bad. I've done worse. So we're going to a road trip up to Wichita. It's about 2.5 hours from where I live in Oklahoma. Go get these doors. Let's get on the road.
Cue the montage.
Cue the montage.
Get you some of that.
So we made it to Menards. Like I said, we've never seen one of these before. So we're gonna go in here and check out Menards. It's just a couple of Okies. Yeah, you need one. I know.
Wow.
Everything. That's how I saved all that money on them doors. We ended up saving like $400 with the rebate on the doors. So like we paid $36.50, and then when you mail in the rebate, we paid like $3,100 or something for it. I don't even know where you go. Look at this. What? God, we gotta get one of these in Oklahoma.
I might look to see if I could find a pump from my parts washer.
Oh, they might have one.
I don't know if like a fish pond pump will do.
Uh-huh.
Be good enough or not, I don't know.
Probably at the front of the store.
Yeah, I looked. Probably all the way back there.
I don't know. The store still goes really far that way too. Dang, they even got groceries in here. Oh, one-stop shop. Oh, I ain't never seen that before. Sunny D Blue Raspberry. Huh, that's kind of interesting.
Shit, that's cheap.
It's on that water.
Yeah, it's $2.89.
Yeah. For a 24 pack.
Yeah. I like to buy the 40 packs.
Yeah. Like if you'll send in the rebates, it's probably worth it. Hey, we found them. Found the bathrooms in the mall-sized construction place. Yeah, you got to mail it in. You got to print off your rebate card, and then you got to print off this little slip of paper, and then you mail it in. Probably. And you got a year to do it, so you can shop for a year and then send it in. Menards. I don't like the ones with the hooks.
That's a good price on them because hell, most of them are 14 or 15 bucks.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't need any of them either. Let's see.
This stuff is what these skills do. $9, $10 for that.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if you need a MRE, I guess. You don't want to go to the local military surplus. Good, how are you?
Good. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, we don't allow recording. You can take some pictures like product and stuff, but we don't
Yeah.
allow recording and stuff.
Okay, really?
Okay.
That's weird.
Where are you guys from?
Oklahoma.
I kind of think
We've never
Yeah.
been into one of these.
Yeah.
You showing people?
Yeah, yeah. So,
It's not live stream or anything, is it?
no, it's not live. No, it goes to YouTube. So, yeah, I got a YouTube channel. So,
Nice.
we bought some.
What's the YouTube channel?
It's Chaos Builds. I build hot rods and stuff.
Oh, cool.
I'm building a shop right now. We've got overhead doors from y'all.
Nice.
And so we drove up here to get them. And I was like, well, just stream some YouTube.
My assistant probably would love to talk to you. He's a drag car.
Drag car.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
He builds a drag car. He's in the middle of building one right now.
Okay, yeah.
Because he got rid of his old one.
Yeah, I built lots of old stuff, 50s, 60s hot rod stuff. And But, yeah, we were just up here browsing around. We're like, man, this is pretty cool.
Is your first time?
Yeah, I've never been to Menards.
We get a lot of people from Oklahoma.
Dude, I'm telling you,
Texas
like,
too, man.
we're like, why is there not Menards in Oklahoma?
It's a state of interest.
Yeah, and
we're really interested in getting down there. It's just we're a privately held company and we just grow as we.
Oh, really? Yeah, because we pulled up and we were like, wow.
Kansas, is that the only?
No, we're Wisconsin based out of Wisconsin, so mainly up in the upper Midwest.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Like in Chicagoland, we probably have 40 or 50 stores.
Oh, really?
Wisconsin, so there's tons of stores up there.
Really? Yeah, we're like, damn, this is Lowe's and Home Depot ain't got nothing on this. Yeah, nothing on it, man.
Yep.
It's a real interesting store. So,
Cool.
like I said, we were just shooting some stuff for YouTube and gonna put it out there. So,
Well, if you need anything, give me a holler.
All right, thanks, man.
Thank you.
I don't know, but Lowe's and Home Depot need to step their game up because they are slacking. Yep, I think we'll buy one of those. As cheap as I found them. Lowe's, they're like $135, like I said. Breakers are cheap enough. Yeah, it's just a BR style. Yep. Alright, let's take one of those. Just that, yep. I don't need nothing else. Alright. Right this way. And this is where we gotta go to get our delivery. To get our windows, or our doors, whatever we got. What do we got, doors? Yep. Where's their wire at? They not carrying wire? Their wire?
Right behind you.
Oh, was it right behind us? I think around the other side. Oh, what are we right here? Ah, right there. This stuff is expensive. I will be buying that from Facebook Marketplace. Because that's expensive. Man. Menards has fixtures. Pretty cool. Alright, so we're gonna go outside. We checked this place pretty much out, did all we're gonna do. So we're gonna go outside and go pick up our special order now. So
Days all over again.
Where'd you say go?
back over here, special
orders. Should be, yeah. I just gotta go locate it real quick. Assuming the hardwood wants some strings in the back.
Yeah, just throw everything that you go back there, back there. you. All right, so doors are loaded up, and we're gonna head back to Oklahoma now. These guys are awesome. The guys taken care of, and that store is awesome. So if you've never checked out Menards, yeah, you might want to. I'll catch y'all on the next one.